Hello, Bridget Bartlett here. Today, I am going to give you an overview of the high-level reputation management system, and I'm going to show you how to use AI to respond to the reviews and also how you can automatically share your positive reviews on all of your social media channels. So first of all, inside of your high-level account in the reputation tab, you'll see in the overview your dashboard for all of your reviews. So you can see in the last 6 months how many five-star reviews you received, your invite trend. You also see the review trends here, the latest review responses. You can also tell not only who sent you the review, but also their email address and then how it was actually sent. You also can see all of your latest reviews here. Now, if you move over to the requests, you'll see all of the requests that were actually sent, which is really important because you want to make sure that you or your team is definitely sending those review requests so that you can build up your online reputation. You also have the reviews area here. So this helps you streamline your responses. So if you are manually responding to the reviews, you'll see all of those here. You can sort by the rating and the sources here. You can also sort by date, and you can even sort if it's spam or not spam. So you'll see that Martina left me an amazing review, and you'll also see that the reviews AI responded to it. So that's one less thing that I need to do, but if I'm working with clients and they are paying me to manage their reviews, this is actually something that I can get paid for by setting this up. And then I actually don't need to respond to the reviews because the AI is going to do this for me. This is part of the AI employee. So if you wanted to sign up for that plan and get the unlimited AI, you certainly could do that as well. I'll put the link in the description of this video for that. So you'll see here how the AI responds to the review. So like I said, that's one less thing that you need to do, but you could manually reply to the reviews here. Now, you can actually design this tool however you wish. If you click Edit Widget, you have the option here to choose your review source. So what reviews do you want to track this from? You can also choose a list, the grid, masonry, carousel, and then the legacy option, which is just the basic review widget. I'm going to go ahead and choose grid. And you'll see here that it does include the AI summary. And I love that it adds the write a review button. So when you add this to your website or your client's website, not only can people see all of the amazing reviews, but they also have the ability to leave a review. And we want to make that review as easy as possible to leave for us. Okay, so you can create the layout here. You also can customize the content, so you can change the heading and the description here. You can also change the appearance of it. So if you want the light, dark, or you could even make it custom, you could choose all of your colors there. I'm going to go back to the light version. You also have the settings here, so you can choose if you want to include the AI summary or not, and you can display the date, display reviewer icon, exclude review containing no description, and you'll see the code here. Now, you can use the widget, the review widget inside of the HighLevel Builder if you're using that website, but you can actually put this on any website by simply embedding the code here into the site. Go ahead and save. You can also check out your listings here if you're interested in activating Yext into your agency. You can see that this is my agency account. I don't have Yext activated, but as a high-level agency or reseller, I do have the ability to resell Yext and actually earn a profit from that. So that's just something just for your information to know. Now we do have the settings here. So you can see here for the reviews AI, you can choose if you want the reviews to be responded to automatically. And all you have to do is just select this option here. You can choose suggestive if you want the ability to review the review and then get an idea from AI, or you can just simply turn that off completely. You can also choose, do you want Facebook or Google to be capturing your reviews? And then you can also choose what the AI will respond to. So Do you want it to respond to only 5 stars? You can wait 2 minutes before responding so it's not super spammy. And then you can also add your review response footer here to make sure whatever that response is, that this is what they are following up with at the end. Okay. Now you also have your review link here. So you can choose if you're using Google or Facebook. You can also add a custom link here if you want to capture your reviews on another platform. You have the ability to send SMS requests. You can customize this and add your own image. You can add the text here of the text message, and you can choose when do you want to send the SMS after the check-in, how many times or if any do you want this to repeat, and then how many maximum retries do you want to send before basically giving up. You can also do the same thing for emails. So you can add the email subject line here. When do you want this to send after the check-in? You can also do the how many times do you want this to repeat, and then how many retries for this review as well. Now, what's really cool is if you're using WhatsApp, you can do that inside of your HighLevel account, and you just need to purchase the WhatsApp plan. This gives you access to WhatsApp and allows you to use all of the HighLevel tools inside of WhatsApp. So if you want to send messages or respond in your conversations tab, you want to use any AI bots, all of that can be done inside of WhatsApp when you connect that account there. You also have the reviews QR code. If we click in here to edit this, you'll see you can create a document, you can print it out. This QR code is attached to your review. So anytime that is scanned, it will allow someone to leave you a review. You also now have the option to detect spam reviews. So you can see here, this says enabling spam detection of reviews will have the following impacts on your system. So you want to make sure that you read through here and that you understand what you're actually doing here. But I have mine turned on. I absolutely love this feature. And if you get spam reviews, it can actually really hurt your reputation, especially if you are building your reviews on Google. You don't want to have some negative reviews, especially from people who have never even worked with you before. And then now we have this super cool integration with other platforms that you may want to import your reviews. Okay, so we have Airbnb, AliExpress, Angie's List, Amazon, and so on. You could see so many different integrations here that you can link to import your reviews. Love that so much. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is the social planner. If you go to the marketing tab and you go to social planner, you'll see if you click here to create new posts that you can actually post your reviews. So I'm going to click here. And you'll see here that you can choose the review source. So let's say Google. And then you can also choose the rating here. So which level of review do you want to post on your social media? Most of us are going to choose 5 stars. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 5 stars because I certainly, if someone left me a 1 star, I wouldn't want to promote that on my social media. So I'm just going to say 5 stars. And then now I want to choose which platforms do I want to promote this on. So we could choose Google Business, we could choose Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We could choose our LinkedIn profile and our business page. So we'll just go ahead and select all of those platforms. How many posts do we want to post? I'm just going to say 1. And then when should we send the post? So this means like if I'm sending this every day at 10 a.m. and I had 3 5-star reviews, I don't want it to post 3 reviews. I want it to just post 1. So it's going to check every day. And then when it finds that review, it's going to post it at 10 a.m. Now I can choose where I want this to be posted in of these platforms, right? Do I want it to be posted in the feed, Instagram story, or Facebook story? I could choose all of those. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now I want to choose what background I want these reviews to be posted on. I could upload my own image here, or I could choose one of these templates. You know that I love purple, so I'm going to choose purple and click next. So you can also add a caption here. Let's say, do you want to be our next 5-star review? Contact us today at, and then we could even put our phone number, 317-548-0270. And let's say display author name. Now, look, you guys, before I go past that, so cool that if you are using your voice AI, which is part of the AI employee, and you add your phone number here, how cool is it when you are literally using that voice AI to sell your business and you can say, hey, give me a call. That can be your call to action. Okay, super cool. Absolutely love that. Now, here you can decide, do you want to display the author name, the full name, only the initials, or none? You can choose the font family and the size. You can choose the font color and opacity, the placeholder box, and then also the star color. Okay, you can also toggle this over to see what it would look like on the different platforms and then create the post. And you only have to set that up one time and it will automatically every day be looking for those reviews. And you can see that I had mine set up here. If I go to content, you'll see the review. And of course, if you ever needed to edit this, you could just simply come in here and then do the edit. So this is just set up one time. I don't need to worry about this every single time. The same with the reputation management. You set this up one time, especially if you're using the AI to respond to the reviews, and then you don't have to worry about that anymore. You also can go into let's go into the automations, and I'm going to click here to start a new automation. And you can see that if we click the plus sign, you can send a review via email, SMS, or WhatsApp at any point inside of your automation. So imagine the trigger is you've marked them showed as an appointment and you want to send them a review request. You would choose appointment status, event type, normal, appointment status is showed. Let's say that every time they show up for an appointment, you want to send them a review request. You could simply just add this step here. Let's say SMS. And then whatever those settings were that you chose when sending an SMS review, as soon as you have marked that appointment as showed, it will trigger this automation and then send them that review request. And you can add that in any part of your workflow automations. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you giving me your most valuable asset, which is your time. If you have any questions at all, you can go into the community if you're a reseller, into our events calendar. You can click here and join me in open office hours that are starting as soon as we end this training today. And if you are in our free community, same thing. You won't have access to the dashboard, but you guys can just log into the free community and then go to the events calendar to access today's Zoom link. If you're not a member of our reseller program or our free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. We have many offers to help you wherever you are in your business journey. If you are not a high-level customer, you can click here to sign up using my affiliate link. You sign up directly through HighLevel. I offer all kinds of bonuses, which in this case is a free starter plan in our reseller program. If you are already a high-level customer and you would like to sign up to join our reseller program and reseller AI ads and our sales bots, you can click here to join directly. If you are not interested in reselling software and you are just wanting to use all of our tools in one place for one low price, you can check out this option here. And of course, here's the option to join our free community or book a private consultation with me. Thank you all again so much for your time, and I will see you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality. Bye.